Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Helen. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing something following on from my Kmart 2022 finds. I am going to be unboxing the handheld steamer cleaner. So I'm going to be going around the home and just testing it on a few different things and seeing, hopefully you guys can see that, seeing whether or not it's worth the $25 that they've charged for. So start unboxing this. Inside the box there's a hose. And then take that off. I've got a part that looks like that. Some sort of steam funnel. More funnels. Oh, looks like a long type. Maybe to do the shower. Just do the shower style. Got a brush head. It's actually quite a lot of accessories. Micro pressure head and then cup to fill up with water. So on the box it says that it's pressurized handheld steam cleaner, chemical free, up to 250 ml of water, includes a multi range of accessories. It's great for cleaning ovens, grout and glass, which is terrific, which is what I'm looking to do. So pull this out. Thing I might do is, it sort of looks like there. It's got an open and close for you to push down and then turn. So to close, then to open, pressure, off a lock switch, green lights to indicate. So this is actually a mop. It's like a little mop head, that particular one. That's the one that I was after. That's like a squeegee. So if you can see, it's got like a... So this is actually a mop. It's like a little mop head. So now what I'm going to do, I'll just unwind this. And then we'll fill it up with some water. And then we'll give it a test run around the house and see how it goes. So I've plugged it in, probably can hear it starting up, it's heating up. Okay, so in order for this to operate, you have to actually trigger this down and press that, which is, I think could be a little bit annoying after a while. I'm just test driving. So I've just changed the head. The brush head should be able to steam and scrub at the same time. So I'll use the stove as a good example. Here we go. So now I'm just going to try the squeegee head, get this going. So apparently you clip that like so. Not bad. Is it better than a Kasha? Obviously this machine's $25. Kasha you're looking over 100 and something. It's not bad. It does a relatively good job. I still have to scrape and get this off. Let's try the oven. So, didn't clean 100% all of the baked on stains, so I might try another one again. I'll just put some borax, see if it'll lift some of it up to help the steamer. But so far it's not too bad. I mean, I think it'd be good for sterilizing and steam pressurizing that way, but actually removing grime and dirt, no, not so far, not really. Together with the steamer and the borax that helped clean it up, but did it clean it on its own? No, it didn't. It needed some help. So the only disappointing thing, as I said, is the brush head. This is the first use, so I'm thinking that this brush head is going to need a replacement pretty soon, considering, you know, you're going to use it over a period of time. You're hoping that you'll have this for a while. Okay, next up I'm going to do the bathroom. It's going to steam clean around the obvious areas that are gross. To some extent, it has missed a few areas. Again, for $25, I can't really fault it. Did get around some here. It's not as strong, but it's handy. It's handy to have. This is the toothbrush, electric toothbrush holder. Did it get all the grime off? No. Other machines that I've had have been able to get off really fast. So it's time to refill, and I'm trying to get this off. This is a little bit finicky to actually get off. It's almost like one of those cough medicine trick things. It shouldn't have to be that hard. This is not great. So anyone who's got arthritis or, you know, bad wrists or whatever it may be, this is not the machine for you. I think it's not that great, to be honest. Go get yourself something else. There's a few design faults. Like, I think this is hard. You got to hold that and press that to get the steam out. This is really tricky to get out. This is really hard to also put on. So I think this Anko handheld steam cleaner is such a winner. If you guys have got one and you've used it and you've got some different thoughts, or maybe I'm doing something wrong, please drop me a comment. Let me know, because I'd be interested to see how yours went. But apart from that, that's it for today. I'm not going to be able to do the shower because I can't get the nozzle off. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching today's episode of unboxing the Anko, or the Kmart Anko handheld steamer cleaner. That is a mouthful. If you enjoyed today's episode, please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, because that's going to really help me out a lot. I'm still growing my channel to bring you a lot of good content. Stay tuned. I'm also going to be uploading a few other small shorts on all the other things that I bought in my Kmart 2022 finds, such as the laundry basket, the fan, and a few other things that I got. So until next time, take care, have fun. Thanks, guys. See ya. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of unboxing the Anko handheld steamer cleaner.